Canva website tutorial, how to create a website using Canva. Hello everyone and welcome back. In today's video, I'll be showing you guys how you can create a website using Canva. So Canva is an online digital tool which allows us to build illustrations, presentations, social media content, and logos. However, Canva is also great for building amazing websites, especially if you're someone that wants to build a website for their own portfolio, or if you want to build a single landing page, then Canva is easily able to do so. So let's get started with building our website on Canva. To do this, simply head on over into your Canva dashboard and then click on website. Now, I have created my account already. If you haven't created an account already, you can sign up using an email address. Now, once you've done that, you're going to go ahead and proceed with building your website. You can click on design on the left and view different templates, or if you're uncertain, you can go back into the Canva dashboard. From there, you're just going to search for portfolio website or whatever type of website you're looking for. You can see all of the different available templates. Some of these templates are available for free, whereas some of them are available on the pro version of Canva. You can easily choose the one that you like the best. I'm going to be using this one because I want to build my design portfolio. You can also proceed with one of the templates and build it as a complete website. But keep in mind that Canva does not build separate pages. Instead, the layout of your pages is just going to be in sections. So as people scroll down, the next page is going to start, and it looks more like a landing page rather than a complete website, because a complete website has crawling pages, whereas this has different sections that are divided into pages. So I'm going to click on customize this template, and once I do, I can proceed with designing. On the top right, you're going to put in a title for your website. Once I've done that, I'm going to click on this text and I'm just going to change the text by typing my own. If you want to alter the colors, the fonts, or any other effects in the text, you can click on your text, and then from the top left, you can click on your font. Then on the left, you will have a tab open up which allows you to alter fonts. You can search for a certain type of font that you are looking for, and you can also scroll down and see different suggestions as well. After that, you have your font sizing, colors, as well as other effects. You can click on your effects tab and add things like shadows, lift, hollows, splice, outline, backgrounds, curves, and other effects for a better appearance. Now, after that, I'm going to click on the See More section and then just click on Delete. Now, I want to change my background image, so I'm going to click on the image and then click on Delete. Once I do that, I'm going to go into Elements. Once I go into Elements over here, we can scroll down and even use the AI image generator on Canva, or we can go into Photos and search for a particular type of photo. I'm just going to search for fashionista because I want something related to fashion like this. And I'm going to click on the background and then change the color because I want to follow a darker style. And then I'm going to select the text. Now you can select multiple text items together for easier moves of your item. Now after that, I'm going to take this section here and then move it across like so. Now you will see if you try to move a page like this, it's not going to be moved up simply because the image that we have added is not going to be added to the top page because the two pages are segregated. So to add a more seamless appearance, you can just click on Command C and Command V. So Command C and then paste it onto the page above like this. And then I just like to crop up the part and then attach it like so, making sure it blends nicely over here. Once I've done that, it makes it look like it's flush like so, even though the image is added in two different parts. And this makes my Canva landing pages appear far more seamless. Now, after I have added some of my own content, you guys can see there are different links that are added. So for this, I can build different sections. For example, I have a style consultation, an event styling, and personal shopping, and I want to build segregated pages within Canva. For that, I'm going to scroll to the bottom, click on Add Page, and then I'm going to go into Layouts on the left, and I'm going to just choose this layout over here. And then I am going to add the service names. So we have style consultation. And then after that, we can see on the left, we have a square frame. I'm going to delete this if I don't like it. And then I can go into elements. Once I go into elements, I'm going to go into frames. In the frames tab, I can select a different style of frame. So my image is framed differently. I'm going to take this little blob and then resize it over here. Now, once I've done that, I'm going to go back into elements, and then again, I'm using a stock image. However, if you don't want to use a stock image, you're obviously going to want to upload your own content. To do that, you can click on uploads on the left and add your own images. Now, to make that process really easy and simple, I recommend you click on upload an image or video and you bulk upload all of your content. So instead of having to manually upload everything every time you're trying to add another, bit of content, you will have your content loaded up already, and it's going to make it easier for you to add it to pages. Once I've designed a page, I might want to design similar pages for event styling and personal shopping. So I'm just going to click on the left where we have this duplication icon. Click on this, and once you click on this, your page is duplicated. Now I'm just going to change the title, and then obviously you're going to change the content, but the basic layout is going to remain the same. Then instead of the blob image, I can add a image regularly, and I'm just going to search for shopping. And once I do that, I can just resize it over here and place it as it is without adding a frame if I find it to be appropriate. However, adding a frame can just add a bit more dimension to your pages on Canva. Now, once you've created your Canva site, you can click on preview on the top right to preview what your website is going to look like. You can also click on the mobile icon to see a mobile preview of your site. Once completed, you're going to click on publish site, and you will have a default URL given by Canva. If you want, you can click on get a new domain and choose to publish your own domain and purchase it via Canva. However, if you already have a domain, you can also choose to connect that for free. Then click on publish website, and your website is now live and can be seen by anyone. And that is how simple and easy it is to create a website using Canva. I can click on visit website, and my website will be live, like so. Now, if you want to customize it further, you can add as much content as you want, and it's going to be formatted like this. If I click on any section or any page, it leads me to the page, but the page is not, separate. It's just in the same larger page added in the form of a section. I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and if you did, make sure to leave a like, subscribe, and comment down below what else you would like to know.